Alright guys, so hello from Porto, Portugal. Starting the video a little later in the day. It is already a little bit past 1, but I'm currently in the downtown area of Porto, in the square. Let's see what we can get into. Funny story, I actually forgot my external hard drive back home, so I ran out of storage, so I was scrambling today to find a store where I could get a SD card, which finally worked out. But let's see what we can get into today and explore some more of Porto. So right in front of me is one of the famous churches in Porto. We're gonna go and check that out. But I noticed everything in Portugal too is super hilly. Lisbon has the most hills, I think, in any city I've ever been in. So another hill to climb. So walking through the center of Porto, I just got to the train station, just kind of came along it. I'll show you guys. It's pretty cool. It's like a huge central station, and inside of here, there's a ton of different paintings. So behind me is the Porto Cathedral, which is one of the centerpieces of the city, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's super gothic. Let me show you guys a view here. Super pretty though. And then down there is the train station where we just came from, in the center of the city. And then on the other side, the cathedral looks down on the water, the river walk, where I was last night. So let's go check this out. Should be pretty cool. A lot of old churches here, which is absolutely beautiful too. So right behind me is the Riverwalk where we were last night, and then the rest of the city. Extremely pretty. After about a 15-minute Uber ride from the city center of Porto, we're now on the coastline, right by one of the older historical castles, right on the beach here. Show you guys that, and it looks a little similar to Casablanca from Morocco from last week. Let me show you guys this cool view here. Beautiful coastline. I think there's a beach down that way towards those apartments. So gonna go check that out, and just taking the beautiful views. There's some people swimming down there, but really cool, beautiful. It's nice to get a little bit of beach after all the city the last couple weeks. So right now in the castle that's right on the beach here, it overlooks the complete ocean. Super cool, beautiful views. Just came down to the beach here from the castle, and there's some locals behind me that are surfing. Super cool environment here. And then over there it looks like some airplanes landing. I think this is pretty close to the airport, but water's beautiful. It's a little bit cold, but wish I could get in, but Didn't bring my bathing suit. So super cool though. Like I said, about like 10 miles out of the city. About like a 15-minute drive to get here. I recommend it. It's beautiful. So right now we're in a supermarket here in Porto, and I just want to give you guys kind of an insight of what it's like, because I think it's kind of cool to see the prices and stuff, especially in another country. So let's take a look. Got some espresso here. The prices in euros, and the conversion's about equal with the US dollar right now.